Hello. Are you a business owner and you want to have a website for your business so that your goods can be live online? Did you know your school can have a standard website that can compete with higher schools' website? Are you having technical issues on your website? Are you tired of getting complaints from parents on your website not being responsive? Are you in need of a graphics designer, one which is reliable, trustworthy and time-conscious? Graphics such as flyers, cards, calendars, invitation cards, logo design, notebooks, key holders, etc. Are you interested in learning full web development from the scratch? With Garo Web all your problems can be solved. All you need is to visit them on Instagram at garo_web_design. Website at www.garoweb.com.ng. GaroWeb is a company of IT solution. We solve your problem through IT and we try our best in developing new ideas of problem solving. We design websites for businesses, schools and companies to reduce the use of book record keeping and make everything easier for the community. We design phone app, Android, iOS to make work easier for the community, to reduces the expenses and easier for them to work anywhere and anytime they wish. We design graphics, flyers, posters, invitations card and lots more to pass information to where we never think it may reach. GaroWeb is an IT company of two great friends and wishes to grow up in entrepreneurship. We are student of Federal University Dutza. We are learning every day to improve ourselves toward problem solving. YouTube channel at Garo Web Design. Or contact Ghazali Ahmad Garo, CEO, Garo Web Design 07066492821.